ready to transform your ideas into captivating presentations that leave a lasting impression. First, head over to slides.google.com and explore the template gallery. You'll find professionally designed templates for various purposes, from business proposals to educational lectures. Click on one that suits your needs, or start with a blank presentation for a completely custom design. Now, let's get acquainted with the toolbar here. You can easily add text boxes, images, shapes, and lines. Experiment with different fonts, sizes, and colors to make your content visually appealing. Don't forget to insert charts and diagrams to illustrate your data effectively. Just click Insert, then Chart, and select your desired chart type. To make your presentation dynamic, add animations and transitions. Select an object, then click Insert, then Animation. Choose from a range of entrance and exit effects to control how elements appear and disappear. For transitions between slides, go to Slide, then Transition, and pick a visually appealing effect. Google Slides shines with its collaboration features. Click the Share button in the top right corner. Enter the email addresses of your collaborators and grant them editing or viewing access. Real-time collaboration makes teamwork a breeze, and everyone can contribute to a polished final product. Finally, master the art of delivering your presentation. Use Presenter View for your notes and upcoming slides. While your audience sees only the current slide, practice your timing, engage with your audience, and let Google Slides help you deliver a presentation that truly shines.